To understand why products can be expensive when you see them on the shelf in your store, it is important to know why before beginning a business venture. Let's talk about the journey of the product before it actually gets sold in a store or online. So the first step is the creation of the product. Some R&D, research and development, had to go into creating the product. That includes calculating the raw materials involved and making the product solve a problem that customers wanted. And usually this is not done for free. Sometimes it could take months to create a product that the market wants, and maybe even longer, depending on the technology used and the barrier to entry. For example, creating a product with wireless IoT technology may take longer than just making a new clothing line. Also, products with certifications tend to cost more than products without certifications. This is why it is common to see a lot of copycats without the proper certifications to send to a specific countries. The next thing to consider is the customization of the product. When shopping in places like 1688 or Pinduoduo, the products are meant for the Chinese market. So somebody had to go through the effort of making it customized for their local market, whether it's the content like the instruction manuals or the packaging itself. And this costs even more money. Then going into the next step is the shipping. This cost often gets overlooked. This is not just the shipping to your destination, but also the shipping from the supplier to the freight forwarder and shipping company. The more hazardous the material of the product, the more expensive the shipping is. Let us not forget the shipping from China to your destination. Sure, if you ship in bulk, you can get great rates for shipping per product. But if you want to do the drop shipping model, your shipping will definitely cost a lot more. That's why a lot of stores like Target and Walmart can sell for so cheap. They ship their products in bulk quantities and essentially pay between $1 to $5 per product. But you are bearing a lot of the risk when you do this business model because people have to buy the product for you to make products. And lastly, something that is also overseen about why products are expensive on the shelf are taxes. Now, this varies depending on the country you are selling to, but a lot of imports need to pay taxes. Whether you have the customer bear this cost or the seller, it still needs to go through the process. So pick your product carefully as some items are taxed higher than others. By the way, if you want a profit calculator that includes all of these costs so that you can simply plug and play your business idea to be able to determine if your product idea will be successful and profitable, check out the free downloadable link below. So before you get hypnotized with the cheap prices of the products in China, especially with the sourcing platforms, you should consider these fees to include the creation of the product, customization, total shipping cost, and taxes. The more customized and unique the product you sell that solves a legitimate problem, the higher you can sell it for and get more profit margins. Each step of this process adds value to the product, which in turn makes it more expensive. Now, if you want to learn how to customize a product step by step after you've done the calculation of the profits, I suggest you check out this video right here about learning how to customize your product from scratch.